Hey everyone, welcome back. I am Shaylin. In today's Speak With Me episode, we're going to have another real conversation together. We'll talk like friends, just like we do in real life. And if you've followed my previous episodes, you already know how this works. But in this episode, there's a small change. Firstly, we will have the conversation with each other, and then we will do shadowing. In this, you will train your mouth to speak the rhythm of English with me. I will say a sentence, and you will speak it along with me at the same time. So this is the flow of the episode. I missed telling you the topic. The topic for today's episode is How was your weekend? It is such a common topic in our day-to-day small talk, at work, with friends, or even in casual daily life. Are you ready? Let's have a real conversation together. Hey, how was your weekend? That sounds nice. What did you do? Honestly, that sounds perfect. Did you watch anything? Oh, nice. What movie did you watch? Was it good? Would you recommend it? That's great. I might check it out. Did you go out at all? Sometimes that's all you need. The weather was quite nice, too. I had a pretty busy weekend.
I met some friends and also did a bit of work.
Yeah, it was, but I'm a little tired now. Did you do anything special on Sunday? Same here. I tried to relax a bit in the evening. Did you wake up late? Lucky you, I had to wake up early. Yeah, but I managed. Did you cook anything? That's great. I actually ordered food. Definitely. Sometimes you just don't feel like cooking. Did you talk to any friends over the weekend? That's nice. I think weekends are perfect for that. Anyway, I hope this week is a good one. Let's try to stay positive and productive. All right, let's get back to work. Well done, friends! How was it? Did it boost your confidence? If yes, pause the video here and comment, "Yes, Shaylin." I hope these little practices are helping you all. Now, let's not stop here. Let's move to the next important part, shadowing. It is a great way for you to practice your English speaking and train your mouth muscles. I will need your active participation. Let's do this. I will speak each sentence 3 times. Speak along with me and match my speed. I had a really nice weekend. I had a really nice weekend. I had a really nice weekend. I woke up a little late on Sunday. I woke up a little late on Sunday. I woke up a little late on Sunday. I made a simple breakfast at home. I made a simple breakfast at home. I made a simple breakfast at home. I spent some time cleaning my room. I spent some time cleaning my room. I spent some time cleaning my room. In the afternoon, I watched a movie. In the afternoon, I watched a movie. In the afternoon, I watched a movie. Later, I talked to my friends on the phone. Later, I talked to my friends on the phone. Later, I talked to my friends on the phone. In the evening, I went for a short walk. In the evening, I went for a short walk. In the evening, I went for a short walk. The weather was nice and calm. The weather was nice and calm. The weather was nice and calm. I also listened to some music. I also listened to some music. I also listened to some music. I felt relaxed and happy. I felt relaxed and happy. I felt relaxed and happy. On Saturday, I did some shopping. On Saturday, I did some shopping. On Saturday, I did some shopping. I bought a few things for home. I bought a few things for home. I bought a few things for home. It was a simple but good weekend. It was a simple but good weekend. It was a simple but good weekend. Now I feel ready for the new week. Now I feel ready for the new week. Now I feel ready for the new week.
Great job, friends! If you stayed with me till the end, I'm really happy, and I'm proud of you. Today, you didn't just listen, you actually spoke. You moved your mouth, you tried, and that effort really matters. I know it's not always easy, but you showed up and practiced, and that is how real improvement happens. I hope this practice helped you feel a little more confident while speaking. Try to repeat this again later, maybe without looking at the screen. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. And yes, don't forget to use this in real life. Next time someone asks you, "How was your weekend?" you will have something to say. Keep going like this. You are improving more than you think. I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, keep learning, keep speaking, and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.